So this is a programmable car kit using Lego compatible parts by the company CaDA. This is an instruction book. I put these 3 batteries in the battery bank, and I'm testing to see if this works with the remote control. The remote control app was free, and I've downloaded it already onto this Android phone. This kit comes with a remote control, but it's not programmable. We're wanting to do programming. This is the first video showing how this Lego compatible car kit, which cost me, I believe, $16.50 off AliExpress plus 50 cents for sales tax. If I choose supercar, there are different options for car kits, but I believe this is as close as I can find to the one that I have here. If I tap on that and then tap on remote control, I've got these options. This is actually turning by Bluetooth connection. Here is steering left and right. But what I really want to talk about here is my programming. Right here, program. It will download the different programs, and I believe this is using a Scratch type program. Here's the play button. It runs through these different instructions that I programmed. So there's quite a lot here for an introduction to programming for kids once they've built this kind of a kit. And one possible advantage is that we don't need a computer to download the program that we've written to our car because we're using Bluetooth. As opposed to the microbit, where you actually have a detachable microcontroller that you download your program to. In this case, it's almost instantaneous. As soon as I add another block, press play, it runs through the whole program. Way to introduce kids to programming using about a $17 car kit that is Lego compatible, so we can add more Lego pieces. There will be more.